Mm.
Good morning, all of you. So last explanation about the version section that is called as our doc type. Yesterday's discussion. A small review about the version section. Doc type. After that, one small space compulsory. And then HTML. Actually, we have to write the URL here. But if you are not specified any URL, it takes automatically HTML5 version. So program is translated based on HTML5 version, executed based on HTML5 version guidelines, and producing output also based on HTML5 guidelines only. If I remove HTML word also, what happens, sir? Wrong. HTML compulsory. Only doc type, sir. It's a meaningless tag. So doc type after HTML keyword mandatory. Don't forget that. After HTML keyword, versions URL writing or not, that is your choice. If you are not given any URL, it takes automatically latest version. And next comes to this language. I already said yesterday, this is program beginning and this is program ending. HTML tag opens, nothing but your program starts here. And HTML tag closing is nothing but program ends here. But what is this lang, sir? Actually, lang is an optional, sir, not mandatory. If you remove this also, program executes. 100% executing, that's not a problem. Then why we have to write the language, sir? Just for our understanding purpose, just for our clarity purpose only. So lang is nothing but an language equals to en is nothing but an English. So language equals to English means my program designed in the form of English, designing in English, and expected output also in English only. That is the specification. Program typed, executed, and producing outputs all in the form of English. So which language we are using that information to browser? Which language we are using that just we are informing to the browser. By chance, if I am not specified this, what happens, sir? Still it takes English only. If you are not specified also, still it takes English only. How system knows, sir, I'm using English only or not, sir? For that, your operating system is the reason. So when you are installing the OS in your computer, are you selected language or not? OS installation time, are you selecting any language? Operating system installation time, sir. Windows, Unix, Ubuntu, Mac, something. At the time of operating system installation, are you selecting the language, country or not? Which language? Country? Kazakhstan. India, na? Sure. So your country is India and your language is English. We have already the settings in OS. As per that, the program is translating and executing. So when you are not specified any language option here, browser collected your language details from the OS. In OS, which language available? As per that language, translating and executing. Why all these risks are? Just write your language name here, sir. English. If I want to design the program in Arabic language, sir. Yes, possible, sir. AR. Arabic short form is AR. So install the Arabic language related software and make the Arabic language keyboard, and you can type the program in Arabic language. That's not a problem. Best example, your WhatsApp chatting, sir. All of you are doing chatting with English only, yeah? No, gada? English, yeah? All, sure, huh? You're never using Hindi messages. Sure, huh? It's not possible. Eh? So we are typing chatting messages in WhatsApp, English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Urdu, all languages available kada in WhatsApp. Suppose I'm Telugu person, sir. I'm talking with my friend. Why I'm using English? I'm using always Telugu only. Telugu my native language. Telugu available in every my blood drop. Every drop Telugu available. I always prefer to use Telugu only. The classrooms ante we don't have other option. Then only if you are not interested also we are talking in English. I love Telugu very much. My mother tongue. So when I'm talking with my friends, I'm always dropping messages in Telugu only. But actually in our mobile, Telugu keyboard not available. Then what to do? Keyboard settings are available. Their language selection available. If you select the Telugu language, then Telugu keyboard is going to activated. If you select the Hindi language, Hindi keyboard is going to activated. Like that, we can also perform the same operations in our computers also. Install the corresponding language software and activate the keyboard, the corresponding language, type the program in that language only. No objections. It's allowing. Sir, you have the websites, Telugu websites available, Arabic websites available, Chinese websites available, Japanese websites available. Entire the internet is running on the English. No, na. Lot of Hindi websites are available in our India only. Lot of Chinese websites available, lot of Japanese website available. And the websites are displaying the different types of languages content. So language specification is coming from here. So generally we are English and our keyboard is also pure English keyboard. So we are writing language equals to EN. The language is specification meaning. Which language we are using while designing of the program, in which language we are expecting the output, that we are specifying here. Once again repeating the points that if you are not specified the language details are collected from your operating system. In operating system, which language you selected, that language it is using here. So HTML, beginning of the program as well as the end of the program, and also it contains the language details. Next comes to head section and body section. So head is one type of one part and body is also one part. This is the head section and this is the body section. The both are the parts of our HTML program. So what is the use of this head and body section, sir? What type of coding we are placing inside that one, sir? That I'm going to explaining now. Head section, nothing but an head tag. Head section, nothing but an head tag. So what is the purpose of this one, sir? In generally, head section contains the web page settings. Head section generally contains web page settings. Web page designing, where it is available, sir? Designing comes under the body section, sir. The page designing code available in body section. The page related settings are comes under the head section. Designing is different, settings are different, sir. Yes, sir, 100%. Designing different, settings are different. We'll get the clarity slowly, wait. The body section, it contains web page designing code. So what is the designing and settings differences, sir? Designing in the sense data preparation, sir. The designing is nothing but what are the content you want to display on the web page, a content preparation. But settings in the sense, sir, This content how to display to user, and means positions, coloring, gap, measurements. These are all called as the settings. Content is nothing but an designing. A content settings are nothing but an that one. So compulsory settings required are, sir. A guarantee, sir. Settings guarantee required. If settings not available, what happens, sir? Data comes roughly. 100% data displaying, but in the rough format. When a rough notebooks available, na? Like that, without proper say, position, without proper coloring, without proper measurements, it displaying the data roughly. But we want to display the data attractive format. Attractive format, compulsory settings are required. What are the settings are comes here, sir? Just for your awareness, I'm writing here, sir. So settings, nothing but an CSS settings, cascading style sheet settings, title settings, logo settings, and linking of external libraries linking, and meta. These all are comes under settings only. Settings meaning I given here, sir. Some CSS settings are title setting, logo setting, linking with external libraries, and metadata information. And these all are supporting to the your web page. Without this web page designing, not possible, sir. I just said, sir, without this, using this, if you develop any web page, it look like as a rough notebook only, not like as a proper page. What is title, what is logo, we don't know. I'm not explained also. Just an idea purpose, I listed the words and that's all. And the next one is, head is the first executed part in our HTML, sir. The first executed section. Head is the first executed section. And body is the second executed section. Order of execution I'm saying here. Head is the first executed, body is the second executed. And we have a small link also between the head and body, sir. What is that link, sir? Head section successfully executed, then only body is executing. By chance, by any reason, head section is failure, sir. Body also failure. By any reason, but for any cause, the head section not executed properly, sir. Some technical problems because coding not available properly, linking not available properly. But what happens, sir? Head is skipping. Along with the head, body is also skipped. Along with the head, body is also skipped. Both dependency. Head not available, sir. What is the body use? No use. Why, sir? We can run directly body also, sir. Coming to that only, sir. But head inside what we have? CSS styles are available. CSS styles not applied, not activated. But what is the use to display the data? If you display the data, sir, it comes without colors. It comes without margins. It comes the data without any proper position. Instead of that one, skip off that execution is better. The browser's internal nature, we can't do anything. I want to stop that one, sir. You should become as a junior Tim Berners-Lee. If you become as a junior Tim Berners-Lee, then you can stop it. Otherwise, no chance. Once again, repeating the point. In the total program, the first executed is the head, second executed is the body. So first execution starts with head section. If head section is successfully executed, sir, successfully completed, then only they comes to body. By chance, head section is failure, sir, directly program terminated. Program terminated also, but you are not getting any errors. What happens, sir, that cases, blank pages are displaying. empty pages or blank pages are displaying. So both are interdependencies, sir. Why this type of dependencies, sir? Best example, your mathematics. In mathematics, we solved one small problem of 15 steps problem. Fifth step wrong, sir. Fifth step wrong. Is there any necessary to check the sixth step? Fifth step mistake is available. So sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth steps checking required or not required? Not required. Reason? Dependencies only. Sixth step always designed based on the fifth step. Seventh one designed based on the sixth one. That is mathematics formula. So first step is wrong, sir. Inga further steps are automatically wrong. You don't need to cross check. Time waste unnecessary. Now the first part is head. Second part is body. First part failure, sir. What is the use to run second part? No use. Time waste, memory waste, current also waste. Simple thing. Next one. What are the tags comes under head section, sir? Which tags we can use inside the head section? Head section inside maximum we are using 5 HTML tags, sir. 5 that's all. Rest of all the tags related to body only. So example of head subtags. One is title tag. Second one is link tag. Third one is style tag. Fourth one is script tag for JavaScript operations. And the last one is meta tag. These are the 5 possible tags to use inside the head section. These are the 5 possible tags to use inside the head section. Then what about the body, sir? Other than that 5, everything goes to body only. Except that 5 tags, rest of all tags are belongs to body section. But all tags writing not possible, sir. Some tags I am listing. Example, form tag, H1 tag, H2 tag, paragraph tag, anchor tag, image tag, table tag, input tag, so button tag, audio tag, video tag, header tag, etc., sir. All unable to write. That's a simple sentence. Other than these 5 tags, everything goes to body section only. So body inside we have the more tags are, head inside we have the less tags. Reasons are content more, settings less generally. Data huge amount of data, sir. Settings a couple of settings. So this is the information about the head and body section, sir. Lastly, one small conclusion. Without head, we can write body. Without body, we can write the head. No problem. But not proper coding. If you want to go for the proper coding, use always the head and body. In that also order is first head and then body. That is specific proper format. So this is the total structure of the HTML program, sir. Version HTML head body. Yesterday I said one point clearly to you. Remove all these things, then also you can design the program. Yesterday practical also I shown also that one. Without writing of any section, we can directly design the program also like this. It's 100% working, no problem. But why we are following that long procedure, sir? Proper systematic approach. This is, sir, improper coding. It's not proper coding, but program executed and you will get output also. Okay, sir. With this one, theoretical information done. Next, I'm going to showing the first demonstration example. Meta tag we can use in meta cases. Meta tag we can use in meta cases only, sir. Meta tag comes in meta topic, sir. Why you are getting tension? Over excitement? I'm not explained any tags. Remember, I just listed the tags. That's all. Anxiety to excitement to very danger to our health, sir. This is our notepad, a simple text editor available in every computer in generally. So we are typing the program here, saving the program here, execution from the browser. Typing, saving here, execution from the browser. So first I'm typing the program, sir, demo program. Doc type, HTML, lang equals to en. Next one, head. Currently, we don't have any settings concept, sir. Reason, we don't know how to design the web page. Web page available, settings are comes. Web page not available, settings are not required. So an empty head tag. We can remove also, no problem. But first program a violation of guidelines not correct. That's the empty tag I'm using. Next one, body. Body inside a small message. What is that, sir? Hello world. Common. Every programming language, first program is hello world only. So it's the same sentiment I continues. Then body tag is close. And after that, HTML tag is also close. This is a simple HTML program. Typing completed, sir. Next, what to do, sir? Save it and execute it. Which software we use for HTML? HTML software we have to use for HTML. Which software we have to use for HTML here? Is there any software? Is there any downloading or installing? No. So if any software is required, we can't use the notepad. Here we are using the notepad means we don't need any softwares. We already discussed in the previous explanations, sir. Doubt available, I'll show the previous explanations. Somewhere I said here, kidhar hai, idhar hai. Our old explanation. No need to download any software, no need to install any software for working with HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript. Our 3 courses, we don't need to download, we don't need to install specially. And in Java programs, we install, sir. Yes, sir. If you want to practice the C programs, you have to install the Turbo C or Turbo C++. You want to practice the SQL queries, Oracle database installation required. You want to practice the core Java programs, JDK software installation required. You want to practice the .NET programs, Visual Studio .NET installation required. You want to practice the Python programs, Python software installation required. But you want to practice HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Nothing. Nothing to download, nothing to install. Okay, sir. Program typing completed. You know how to save the files? Daily in our computers, we are creating something, file menu, save, file menu, open, file menu, new. The routine operations. Who have the minimum awareness about the computers? I think those all you know how to save the files and how to open the files. Sure or doubt? Sure or sugar? Sugar. In this says sugar. So go to the file menu, save. And what is the saving procedure, sir? File name dot extension, sir. What is the name of the file, sir? Your interest. Demo, sample, test to, example one, program one, page two, chicken, mutton, fish, aloo, tikka, French fries, McD, Frankie, Sprite, thumbs up, Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaifu, Rashmika Mandana, Anasuya, anything okay, no problem. The name of the programs are your choice. And extensions are extension compulsory .html. So this is our first program. I'm going to saving on the E drive, sir. I'm going to saving on the E drive. This is E drive. The name of the program, sir, demo.html. Demo.html. Extension you have to give manually. Otherwise, we'll get the problem. So next, while saving of the file names like this, better use the double quotations, sir. Before the name, after the name, use double quotations. Reasons are, it's actually Notepad software. Default extension of the Notepad is .txt. If I'm not using these double quotations, sir, my program name is demo.html.txt. A quotations if I'm not used, demo.html.txt. This is the extension. That says somebody what they are doing, sir, and at a bottom changing to all files and change saving. This is also okay. But again, changing of these options instead of that, using double quotations is the better option. A shortcut also. Then save. Program saved successfully. A program name visible, sir, here, demo. Where it is saved, sir? In E drive. You can go and check it, sir. My computer, E drive. A lot of files available. I just delete it. So this is our program demo.html. It is just confirmation saved us successfully or not. Next, what to do, sir? If you double click on this file, you'll get directly output. Just double click on that file, you'll get directly output. Where output is displaying, sir? In browser only. HTML programs so special that one. Just HTML file icon available. Na? Double click on that icon, sir. Directly output is comes. So this is our output. Hello world. What is this, sir? Google Chrome. This browser is Google Chrome. Program is output this one. One of the procedure to execute the HTML program, sir. After saving of the program, go to your location and where you saved the program, go to that location and just double click on that one. Directly program executes like this. It's shortcut actually, but don't prefer this one. Not correct thing. But program executing, sir. Program executing, but feel missing. Feel missing. I want to get the feel like as websites, sir. But websites, what we are doing, double clicking. No, we are opening the browser and going to the address bar. In the address bar, URL we are typing. When you type the URL and press enter, sir, the page loads inside the browser. That type of feel important for us. Then only we'll get our program is web page. Otherwise, sir, yeah, this is output of the program. And the web page feeling is not come, sir. So what is the second option, sir? Instead of double click, open any of the browser available in your system. Any browser, okay, sir, no problem. Get address bar available. Na? Go to this address bar. Type the complete address of your program. Name of the program, extension of the program, location of the program. That is called as the address. Type the complete address of your program. Where you saved the program? E drive, E:/. What is the name of the program? Demo.html. Like as website's URL, I also typed my program URL. Then press enter, sir. The output is opens like that. But now we'll get the feel of it. How the websites are going to open, our program also opens in the same manner. In future, if you want to run any program, go to the address bar, type the address E:/demo.html, press enter. Sometimes while typing of the address, you are getting some problems. Generally, first time when you are practicing the program, the problems are common. So what is the problem, sir? Maybe address not typed properly. Address not typed properly. At the time, what happens, sir? This message is comes, sir. While execution of the programs in HTML, when you see this message anytime, the reason is your program name address not proper. That is the thing. Logic correct, sir. Name of the program address not perfect. That scenario only will get this head. In the rest of scenarios, we are never getting this message. Once again, repeating the point, while execution of HTML programs or while opening of HTML pages, if you got anywhere this message, your file name address wrong. Your name of the file or maybe location of the file not given properly. That is the meaning of that. Extension also compulsory while opening of the page. Don't forget. I'm adding a small thing to this one, sir. Program typing, saving completed, and execution output also execute. I'll give the small clarity here for the especially C and Java students. In C Java student, compilation one separate step, sir. Execution some separate steps, sir. But if you observe here, I'm not translated anywhere the program. I'm not compiled anywhere my program, but I got directly output. That is HTML magic. The HTML is magic. So you are typing just address of the program. Check it once. We are typing the address and name of the file. Press the enter. When you press the enter, on the spot program translated, executed, and you will get output also. Whenever you press the enter key, then program translated, executed, and producing the output. That is that output. Enter key pressing, this data displaying. How much gap is available? Fraction of nanoseconds, not seconds, nanoseconds gap. It produces output less than 10 nanoseconds. That much of speed it is executing. At 10 nanoseconds time, your program translated into machine code and processed every statement and result displaying like this. Separate translations, separate compilations, like as your old languages, here it is not possible. That is the meaning, sir. Especially this point for the C and Java students only. Reason, you know very well, compilation, separate step, execution, separate step. There are nothing available those. Next, back to source code. Existing program, I'm making some changes, small modifications I'm making. So 1, 2, 3. A little bit changes in the source code, sir. But what to do, sir? You have to resave the program. Resaving compulsory. And then go to the browser, refresh it. Then updated output, it will comes. Without saving, if I go to the browser, if I refresh any number of times, sir, no use. Updated output doesn't comes. Old output only it displaying. Because saving missing. Back to program. File menu, save. Name not asking, sir. Already we given name, na? In the same name, it's overwriting, that's all. File menu, save. Shortcut to Control S. Control S is the shortcut. Then refresh the page. Output updated. Next, once again, sir. Removing this. I'm using some special HTML codes, sir. Just for fun, nothing else. And hello world message kada. You're feeling also same thing. The sad symbol, happy symbol, happy symbol. You want to sad symbol, it will comes. Sad, angry, cry, all comes. And who are not understanding if 15 minutes explanation, those reaction is this one. Who are not understanding my explanations, last 15 minutes, those internal feeling is that one. Correct? Huh? Non-understanding situation. Who are understanding properly, sir, what I said, those reaction is this one. మన ఏమిటో emojis, symbols are called as emojis. మన WhatsApp chatting, we have these all the symbols, sir. That all symbols we can print here, no problem. The serial number you can continue, sir. 521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526 up to 650 we have. Almost 150 plus symbols. For every number, one symbol is comes. 541, sir. Something symbol is comes. All emojis are comes here. All emojis are comes. 551, sir. Too much sad anukunta. Angry adi. 561. Randomly I'm checking some numbers, sir. What is that feeling? Surprise, huh? So when you are practicing, you can change the numbers one by one, sir. For every number, we'll get one symbol. Who is that, madam? Cat, sure, huh? Okay, sir. Demonstration program. Where we have to type the program, we got clarity. How to save the program also I explained. And how to run the program and how to see the output also I explained. This is the basic approach to design HTML pages and execution. Next one. This notepad, I am not interested, sir. Suppose the notepad ordinary text editor, colors not comes, syntaxes not comes, the plain format like as our whiteboard, that one both are same only, no differences. I need some extra features, sir. Extra features, extra operations required, sir. Then you have to use the special editors. Special editors are available, sir. That editors you have to follow. So what are the special editors, sir? So many editors are there, sir. Almost 30, 35 editors are available. Not 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to practice the front-end technologies programs, any front-end technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, more than 35 plus editors available in our internet. Not 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one you are interested? Set yourself, download and install, start the working. In the 35 plus editors, what are the popular editors, sir? One is Edit Plus. Edit Plus is one of the popular editor. Second one is Notepad++. These are the two most popular editors for practicing of the front-end programming. Not only front-end, sir. C programs you can practice here. All-in-one editor, sir. C, C++, Core Java, Advanced Java, Python, PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, XML programs, SQL queries, Python programs, Ruby programs, CGI programs, Perl programs. All these softwares, it supports that editor. It's not only for HTML specialized. all in one. Almost 15 languages softwares you can practice in the same editor, sir, including the C language, your Oracle queries also. In these two things, one major difference is Edit Plus is the licensed software. Notepad++ is the free software. The lifetime free, sir, Notepad++. And Edit Plus is 1 month free trial it will comes. 1 month. 1 month after you have to purchase the license. In 1 month you don't need to purchase any license. But 1 month after what to do, sir? Generally system forcing to purchase the license. But we are geniuses, we are not purchasing license. No problem. We have some tricks, sir. With the tricks we can follow easily. No need to purchase the license. Gambling operation. That I'll show after some time. But initially 30 days, I think you don't have any problem. Next, these are the medium level for practicing of the front-end programs or other language. It's called as editors. Compared to Notepad, these are the better. The colorings are comes, syntax highlightations are comes. Some help also they are providing for us, simplifying of the coding, especially Edit Plus. Coding simplifications also comes here. Next, if you need any high-end editors, sir, those called as the IDEs. Integrated Development Environments, IDE. Integrated Development Environments. So what is the popular IDE, sir? One of the popular IDEs is Sublime. Second popular IDE is Atom. And one more is Visual Studio Code. I got a Visual Studio Code, somebody they are calling as editor, sir. But it's not editor, it's an IDE. Editors are different, IDs are different for kind information. But so many is thinking ID means editor, editor means ID. Wrong awareness, wrong knowledge. Don't feel like that. That's a clearly given the headings here. Heading clearly available, sir. These are the high-end editors, high-end IDs. Generally in project developmentations, we are using one of these. Normal practicing programs, this is more enough. So initially, I'm going to starting with Edit Plus. After some days, I'll explain the Visual Studio Code also. After some days, not now. But now I'm starting journey with this one. This is my personal feelings, sir. But what about the students, sir? I already shortlisted here, sir. More than 35 plus editors available. I already shortlisted and designed as a 5. In these 5, which one you likes, follow that one. I don't have any objections, sir. I'm not going to compiling also you. You have your own mindset. You have your own thinking. So choose your own editor, follow that one. Companies, what they are using, sir. One of the silly questions coming from somebody, sir. Companies, what they are using, sir, and all are using, sir, companies. Companies, all editors are using, not particular editor. Who doesn't have the proper awareness about the companies? They are saying this only we are using in companies. That's 100% wrong, sir. Simple common sense points, sir. Companies are using only one editor only. Other companies, why they are releasing still new editors? Suppose. Any answer? All companies using the only one editor. Suppose Visual Studio, right? But all companies are using Visual Studio. But why companies are releasing Atom and Sublime? You have any answer? Time pass releasing? Time pass releasing? No, gada. And some companies are using Atom. Some companies are using Sublime. Some companies are using Coffee Cup. Some companies are using WordPress. Some companies are using Dreamweaver, Adobe Dreamweaver. Like company to company, editors and IDs are going to changing. They can all companies not using the same IDE. All companies are using same IDE. Why other companies are came into market? Best example this only. Entire the world using Vivo phones only, No, gada. Entire the world Vivo phones only using a Samsung company. Why they started? MI company, why they started? And every phone they have their level of market. Every company they have their level of market. Like that, every ID, they have their level of market. So which editor companies are using? In future, don't ask this question anywhere. If you ask that question, sir, they're laughing internally. Maybe externally they are not laughing, sir, because you are feeling internally laughing. Thousands of companies, sir, in market. In Hyderabad only, we have the 450 IT companies only within Hyderabad city. 450 IT companies are available. Startups are level 3 or MNC 5 or something. 3.6 lakhs of IT employees are working only in Hyderabad city. 3.6 lakhs of IT employees. And one person. But every person, one family available. And 3.6 into average 4. Approximately 14 lakhs. And 14 lakhs of IT family persons are available in Hyderabad city. If 14 lakhs dependencies, maids, cooking person, sweepers, watchmen, how many? Tiffin boy, chai wala, that wala. So how many dependencies are these all things, right? And almost 30-35 lakhs of people are depending only on the IT sector in a Hyderabad city only. Official employees of 3.6 lakhs. Companies 450 plus companies. If 450 plus companies, at least 100 companies names we know na? At least 100 companies names. No na? List out. 30, 20, 25 fastly comes there. In 25 onwards, you are searching the names. It's fact. So, which IDE using by industry, market, meaningless question. Get the practice with all, sir, or at least get the practice with a couple of editors. If you have 1 or 2 editors knowledge, sir, others upgrading is not a easy. It's not a complication process. Easily we can upgrade. So try to get minimum 2 editors knowledge. And first I'm going to showing the Edit Plus, sir. Edit Plus is an editor we have to download from the internet. Directly website is there, sir. editplus.com website is available. Or Notepad++, whatever it may be. So this is website www.editplus.com. Click here to download and click here to download. So click on this one. And the version is 5.5. Download Edit Plus. They are giving clearly here, sir. This see the sentence. 30 days free trial. After that, you have to purchase the license. Download it, sir. How much time it takes the download, sir? Just a half minute, sir. Half minute downloading. Reason, sir. A software size 4 MB. Less than the one audio song. The size of the software 4 MB. Installation half minute to downloading half minute. Not much more. Completed download. Maybe 10 seconds and I think it will take. So very downloads are regular your downloads folder only, nothing special. This is edit EPP Edit Plus. If I click on this software, sir, installation starts. Double click, run, accept, yes, start, copy. Just it's finishing within half minute and any settings required, sir? Nothing, sir. Configurations? No. Environmental variables, path to class path, something, sir. Nothing is required, sir. Double click, start copy, next finish. That's all. We don't need any settings changes. Like us .NET software, so Python software, so Java software, so no risk here. That's all. Simple process. I'm not going to installing, sir, because I have already software. Edit Plus I have already, where this is Edit Plus. So already available. The second time installation is not possible. If I click on the start copy, I'll get the error message. The software already installed and some messages comes. Just click and cancel. You can continue start copying in your systems. If installation is completed, sir, this icon is comes. Open this icon. This is the screen. When you are open the first time, this Edit Plus, it's asking activation. First time when you are opening, it's asking the license activation. Select the free trial. Select the free trial, 30 days activated. Then box closing. Once the box is closed, this is the appearance. And here what to do, sir? Create the file, sir, and execute the file. I'll show it. Once you see the look, this is Edit Plus. Just Edit Plus information. Actually, my software, old version software. 4.0, latest version is the 5.5. Next, file menu, new HTML page. C++, Java, parallel also available, sir. See that one. This is HTML page. We have to select this one. And what are the other cities supported, sir? Because, sir, these all programs we can practice in this one. Normal text typing is possible. And HTML, C++, Perl, PHP, Java, JSP, JavaScript, VBScript, CSS, XML, C#, Python, Ruby, eRuby, and Markdown. These all languages supported. Java students say this is more useful, sir, because program typing here only, program compilation here only, program execution also here only. You don't need to use any command prompts, so you don't need to use the Java, C, not required. That normally how you are compiling Java C followed by file name, Java followed by file name. But in this one, sir, control 1 for compilation, control 2 for execution. Type the program, save it. Press control 1, program automatically compiled. Press control 2, directly output is comes. For Java programs, this instruction. Okay, now go to file menu, new HTML page. When I select this page, sir, some outline is comes. A structure of HTML is there. The structure of HTML automatically it will comes like this. It is some predefined lines code is comes, sir. Cursor waiting inside the body section for your typing. These are the lines automatic, but we don't know these lines meaning currently, so I'm deleting. It is structure of HTML. We can type the program here, welcome. Typing is completed. Next, what to do, sir? Execution. How to execute it, sir? You got a globe icon available, observe. Internet symbol, that one. Globo, internet symbol, world map or something. Click on this icon, sir. You'll get directly output, sir. This is welcome. When you click on that icon, you will get directly output. Where is browser, sir? Browser is opened by the Notepad Edit++ only. When you click on that icon, it opens automatically browser, and your program address also typed by this Edit+ only. Or 10 minutes back, browser opened by us. Address also typed by us. But now these are the editors together providing some support to you. Browser opened by editor, address is typed by editor, and you will get directly output. Where is browser address, sir? You go see here, sir. This is address is given by the system itself only. For the work reducing, sir, options providing something. Next option. If you want to run the program from Edit+, if you want to run the program from Edit+, Even saving also not required. You don't need to save manually. Automatically system is saving your program. But outside the edit plus, if you want to run the program, sir, saving mandatory. You must save the file. But here we don't need to save any file. Observed, I just typed welcome. Then I'm not used any file menu save option. Observed a screen, not observed. I'm not used any save option. I directly executed and we got output also. Edit plus features, these all are. Without saving also we can run the program. Without saving also we'll get the output. See that, sir. Again, I'm typing some line here. Hello. I'm not using any control S, file menu, save. Directly go to the browser icon, click on here. And this is your output. But if you want to run outside the edit plus editor, sir, saving compulsory. Next, what is another advantage of this editor, sir? The colorful program, sir. Notepad, black and white. This is a little bit colorful program. So the different colors are available. What is the colors meaning, sir? Blue color, all are your tags. All blue color words are your tag names. Red color words are the attributes. Attributes, red color. Magenta color and pink color. This is magenta color. That is the values. Attribute to attribute values. All values displaying with the magenta color. All attributes displaying with the red color. All tag names displaying with the blue color. And black colors are black color or text, sir. Black color is representing our text. And green color also comes, sir. Sometimes green color representing comments. Generally in programming languages, we are typing comments. Example on something, demo on if condition, write a program, something. Comments we have to type in HTML. Next explanation that only. Comments generally comes in green color. And every component highlighted with some specific color. What is advantage, sir? First, IFeast. First one. Second one, sir, easy to identify the mistakes. Because tags which color you know, attributes which color you know. When you are typing the words or spellings, colors not changing, sir. Color not changing into what is meaning? Some mistake is available. See that one? Blue, green color. So green color is tag? No. Tag should be comes in blue. Why it's not coming blue, sir? Spelling problem. It's easy to recognize, identify. When you type the proper spelling, they comes automatically blue color. Even the language changed color. Type the LANG, sir. The colors are symbolic representations. Here mistake available, here wrong available. Easily we can identify that one. And the next one, sir, auto highlightation of the syntax. A very useful point, sir, this one. Auto highlightation of the tags or syntaxes. When you are writing the program of huge amount of code, or 200, 300 lines code is available, sir. In that, some tag opening, I know this is the opening. A tag closing, where it is available. Identification, easier, generally tougher. Opening of the tag available in the 6th line. This tag closing, where it is available in these 300 lines. Identification, easier, tougher. Easy, sure. 100% it's not easy. Tough. Example, your C language is Java language best example. 300 lines of program available. In that, lot of if conditions are available. Where the if is opening, where the if is closing. Can you identify anybody easily? No, sir. Sometimes headache also comes. And maybe you are geniuses, I think easily you are identifying, sir. Like my average student, I think it's a very headache problem. Practically, sir, you are not filled the problem until you are not designed the huge amount of lines. 5 lines, 10 lines, there is no problem, sir. At least this much of code is available where the tag is beginning, where the tag is ending, or where the if is beginning, where the if is ending. Identification is a little bit risky process only. Nona C knowledge Java, easier, tougher? Tougher? Sure? Pakka? Confirm? That is the meaning. The practical situation, sir. If you are not feeling it's a tough, sir, you are genius and meaning. Same problem in our HTML also, sir, because everything is coding only. But how can I easily identify that one, sir? Get a tag starting, you know, sir. Just a double click on that starting tag. Where the ending available, system highlighting automatically with yellow color. System highlighting with automatically yellow color. Tag starting, if you double click it, ending tag highlighted with yellow color. I'm uninstalling this one, sir, because old software, this one, just for showing off some options. My existing software, I'm uninstalling. Edit plus uninstalled, old version. Newer version, just now we downloaded together. I'm showing the download procedure, installation procedure also, we'll get an idea. Yeah. This is the software what we downloaded, 1025. Double click on this, run, accept, yes, start copy. Where it is copying? In C, program files. Just start copying. Completed. Over installation. Okay. Then close this. This is our edit plus icon. First time we are opening. Just now we installed. After installation, first time we are going to opening. Yes. Okay. Yes. You will get this one. First time we are opening other. So click on trial version. When you are open the first time, you will get this one, sir. So click on trial version. This is the day 1 of 30 days evaluation. Okay. It is closed. But tomorrow again it will comes. And every day once it will comes. Like the 30 days, 30 reminders. 31st day, sir. It is forcing to purchase the license. What to do at the time, sir? License purchase. Purchase the license, sir. So I'll show the small trick, sir. This is our license screen. 30 days after the message not comes. It's forcing you must purchase the license. You must purchase the license. Without purchasing license, this screen not closing. If the screen not closes, sir, we are unable to work it. And now also without closing the screen, I can't work it. See that. But what to do, sir? On small things, sir. A license window is there, na? Just drag this license, throw out of the monitor and continue your work. No problem. Simple thing. They are asking licenses, sir. A license window we are throwing out of the monitor. Throw the edge of the monitor. You can continue your work, sir. Nobody objecting now. Like lifelong without purchasing the license, you can continue this procedure. You don't need to purchase any license. That's actually a software bug, sir. We identified that bug. We are utilizing, enjoying on model. A software internal mistake. Actually, without closing that window, we can't activate these options. But like me, somebody developed the program. That only it's working wrong way. So 30 days after also, you can use this software with without any interruptions. But only small thing, every day you have to drag that one. Simple task. Okay. Now back to here. So double click on the head, sir. The closing tag is highlighted like this. Double click on the body, sir. Closing tag is highlighted like that. So you don't need to check manually. If you know closing tag, sir, where is the starting tag? I don't know, sir. Double click on closing tag. Starting tag is highlighted. Opening tag, if you double click it, closing tag is highlighted. If you click on double click closing tag, opening tag is highlighted. So it's easy to identify the positions without any risk. Next, we have some more options, sir. We day to day, I'll cover some options. All at a time, not correct. So today onwards, I'm going to using this edit plus. After some days, I'll explain the Visual Studio Code also. Which one you are interested, continue that one. Next one, how to write the comments in HTML. Comments in every language very important, sir, that one. But generally we are neglecting the comments, right? Comments negligence in student case, you can't identify, sir. In real time, you identify the reflections. Who are neglecting to write the comments, those people struggling in real time, guarantee. I'll give the bond paper also, that one. Comments after all, sir. Comments after all, but will come to real time environment, it's more valuable. Reason, you are the fresher. You got job placed in some company. Training completed. You assign some project also. You are assigned to some project and previously that role somebody played, right? Some other employee. Maybe they resigned or shifted to another project. Vacancy forming here. In this vacancy, new employee is going to fulfill it. It's a common thing. But previous employee, last 1 year onwards, a project developing, sir. Not completed. Last 1 year onwards, a project developing. He got the better opportunity, company jump. That gap we are going to fulfilling, one of human being. But last 1 year, what he developed, how you know, sir? How you know that one, what he did? No idea. So you have to open the source code of the project and understand the source code. 1 year developmentation of source code, understanding how much time required? First of all, possible. One person logic understanding by another person is very typical concept, sir. Because your mindset different, my mindset is different. But what is the solution? Comments. Comments is the solution. At the real time, it's why compulsory, sir, and single person lifelong not working in the same project. Every regular intervals, employees are changing. Project running in the company, but the old employees are jump, new employees are coming. In new employees, how existing project understanding, sir? Only documentation reading. That is the only option. A documentation we are calling as a comments. But a documentation not available, you are in that position. What is your position now? This is only. A hair is there now, holding like this and dragging on water. That is the only solution. Otherwise, this one hitting to this one. The practical problems are, I saw these number of employees with the troubles without documentations. Somebody following without documentation, proper subject knowledge, proper guidelines, not following. So that's why you don't do that mistakes, sir. So write always the comments or documentation. You are writing some function. What is the purpose of this function? Mentioned in the top of that one. You are writing one tag. Why you are writing these tags are right in the top of that one. Who are observing in the future your code, they can easily follow. And further operations, they can continue easily. Explanations main important. So first of all, what is the use to write the comments, sir? or why we are writing the comments, sir? Two reasons are mainly. Comments writing, two reasons. One for providing the information, what I explained just, that is providing description or providing information about our logic. Description or information about our logic. So what is the logic you are developing? What is the code we are developing? That code related description we are providing. I'm going to developing something, or I'm going to designing something. I'm following these approaches like that. It's always useful for the future developers. Next, the second reason to write the comments is that if you want to put any code in the non-executable mode, if you want to place or put any statement or steps in non-executable mode, generally what we are doing, sir, is deleting that lines, running the program. After that, again pasting the lines. It's a very dangerous process, sir. Better put in the comments. So putting the statements in the non-executable mode. And instead of deleting the logic, just place in the comments. Browser not running that steps. Those steps browser never going to executing. And how to write the comments, sir? This is the syntax, sir. Exclamation, hyphen, hyphen, followed by comments, hyphen, hyphen, exclamation. So this is the only way to write the comments in our HTML. The second syntax, third syntax is not available anything, sir. Only one syntax only. And other subjects we have 2-3 syntaxes, sir. Of course, but HTML single style. A symbols observe, sir. Exclamation, hyphen, hyphen, comments, hyphen, hyphen. The angle bracket is common, the universal component. While typing out these things, be careful. Don't give any spaces. Suppose a hyphen hyphen after, exclamation after, greater than after, I given a small space extra, sir. Jump program. Color changed, observed. So it's not comment. Which color displaying? Black color, sir. Black color and it is considered as a text or data. That one as easily printing on your screen. So one space also creating the problem, sir. Suppose at the closing time, I given one space, sir. But now what happens? Total program displaying in green color. So total green color means what? Total comment. Where is the code, sir? There is no code. If I run this program, I'll get the empty. Because all my steps are considered as a comments. Reason, one extra space I given. So be careful. The comments information. Lastly, where we can write these comments are, we can write the comments anywhere in our program. Top of the program, top to end of the program, anywhere we can type comments. There is no restrictions. Here is possible, sir. Middle of the class is possible, sir. End of the class also possible. And where you want to explain the code, there write the comments. Position restrictions not available. These are the basic things, sir. Fundamental things, and how to type the program, how to run the program, that all informations I explained. And next is our first official topic of the HTML. HTML topics and tags, sir. Every one tag is a one topic, that's all. Like as other subjects, separate headings not available. Like a tag name, a topic name also. Separately topics not available. So the first topic the first tag is heading tags. Our first official tags are as well as the first topic of HTML. Once again, I'm repeating the points. In HTML, we don't have any topics. Your tags are topics, sir. How many tags available? That number of topics. 100 tags available, sir. 100 topics. Simple thing. So the first heading is heading tags. HTML providing 6 heading tags are total. HTML providing 6 heading tags. What are the tags names are? So those are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H7, sir. H7 not available, sir. Timbernously provided only H1 to H6 only. H7 also I interested, sir. Design your own. That is the only option. So all these are the tags and names, sir. Comes under the topic, this one. So HTML providing total 6 heading tags. What is the use of these tags, sir? These tags are used to display the text or data in heading format or in heading style. All these 6 tags are used to display the data in heading format. Generally, you will get the doubt. For displaying of the headings, why 6 tags are? The main heading, subheading, side heading, note point, the varieties are available, sir. For all these varieties covering, they provided the 6 variety styles. Best example, your college lab records available. Physics lab record, chemistry lab record, your engineering core subjects lab record. Once you observe the writing style of the lab record, headings available, all with same sizes or different sizes. Different size. Main headings one size, side heading one side, subheading another size, and somebody they are using different color pens also, kada? Red color, blue color, green color. Why are all these things? Eye feast, attractive of the faculty lecturer, getting more marks, and that is the ultimate reason. How much attractively you design the lab records are, that number of internal marks are coming. Doubt? Clear? The facts are you are accepting or not. Different headings are available for the different tags are available. What is the difference between all these 5 tags? Are various sizes. H1 to H6 heading sizes are going to changing. Nothing else except. Best example for H1 to H6, sir. Our shirts and pants. Go to some showroom, lifestyle or something. Mana dresses shopping, sir. I'm talking about dresses shopping. So mano branded dresses or normal dresses or whatever it may be. If you go to the dress shop, racks available. In the racks, some side fans available, sometimes t-shirts, sometimes formal shirts, jeans is available. But same color shirt, t-shirt, same color, same design, same stitching. One available or 5 to 6 available? 5 to 6 available. Ma urlo ante. So same color, same stitching, same pattern, 5 to 6 available. Why, sir? 5 to 6 sizes. Even if you take the jeans pant also, sir, blue color jeans, same stitching, same model, but 5 to 6 models count available. Why 5 to 6, sir? And again sizes, sir. So black jeans t-shirt, XL, small, medium, double XL, triple XL, double XL. This is the pattern arranging in our dresses shops. Like that, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Least size to highest size. Which is the highest size, sir? H1 is the highest size, sir. H6 is the least size. In number increasing, size reducing. Whenever the number is increasing, size is going to reducing. Next one, which type of tags are all these six? Paired tags are inline unpaired tags are, sir. All are paired tags, sir. Six tags are the paired tags only. These all six tags are paired tags. Yesterday I explained what is the paired and what is the unpaired. And finally syntax. What about the syntax, sir? This is tag open and this is tag close. Which data you want to print as a heading? Type the data here. The body, sir. Remember, between the tags what you are typing, it's called as body. So this data printing in H1 format. Oh, two syntaxes I'm writing, sir. Balance tags follow in the same manner. H2 data, H2 close. H3 data, H3 close. And balance tags same way, continue yourself. Same tag open, tag closing, between that one data or text. You can write any data, sir. Which data you are giving, that displaying in the so-and-so heading format. A theoretical explanation of these all the six heading tags programs we'll see in tomorrow session. Thank you all. Anywhere in the program.
About the colors, blue color, green color. Tags blue color. Tag blue color. Value. Attributes red. Data black. Comment రాసినప్పుడు శీలాలో స్లాష్ అని పెట్టి మొదలు కమెంట్ రాసి మళ్ళీ స్లాష్ అని పెట్టాలి. ఇక్కడ అది క్లోజింగ్ ఎండింగ్ కామెంట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ చెప్పారు కదండి. అదే చెప్పారు స్టార్టింగ్ ఎండింగ్ అంటే మధ్యలో రాయాలి సార్ కామెంట్ మధ్యలో. కామెంట్ ప్లేస్ లో వెబ్సైట్ లో పెట్టాలి మీ సిస్టమ్ లో ఒక అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. మొబైల్ చేసుకోవడం ఒక పోర్టల్ అక్కడ JavaScript Google Classroom. Google Classroom. It's not created. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll get the Google Classroom.
also aware today I'm not updating notes. The option also we can watch the class. So Google Classroom are the once it is created, it's not created. Classroom will be updated same June week. That will how to once it is directly sharing the class. Browser settings. Because you are checking the source code in browser, but not in editor. I click go to the source, where the source code is open. Set the browser settings. Set the word edit plus. Part of the syntax. Comments also starts with single explanation. And long type also starts with a single. A single explanation not available. We are dealing with a tag. Because balance is in the order and bracket available. And bracket what we know is tag. But it's not tag level. Some difference is showing the user express. Explanation not available. Balance not in the language brackets only. What is representation? That type of you are treating as a tag, normal types you are treating as a tag, but it's not tag. That's a